Students, in the previous video we have discussed about operations on rational numbers. We have studied very well addition of rational number and properties of addition of rational numbers. Now we are studying subtraction of rational numbers. Subtraction of rational numbers. Subtraction is the inverse process of addition. For example, we are solving a question just like 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. Then it means 1 upon 3 is subtracted from 2 upon 3. Taking 3 as LCM, 3 is divided by 3 equals to 1 multiplied by 2 minus 3 is divided by 3, 1 multi 1 equals to 1 upon 3. Now properties of subtraction. First one is closure property. That means the subtraction of any two rational number is also a rational number. That means, in other words, we can say the difference of any two rational numbers is rational number. For example, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. 2 3 are 6. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3 minus 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. Then 1 upon 2 is rational and 1 upon 3 is also rational, and the answer is also rational. It is known as closure property of subtraction. That means the difference of any two rational numbers is also a rational number is known as closure property. And second one is property of 0. It is very simple. Subtraction of 0 into any number, then the answer will be same. That means there is no change in the answer if we subtract 0 from any rational number. And the associative property, commutative property not hold in subtraction of rational numbers. Now we are solving a question 7 upon 10 and 3 upon 1. 10 as LCM, 7 plus 30, that means we can say 37 upon 10. Here should be clarify that the denominator of given rational numbers should be positive. Now a question of subtraction. Subtract minus 5 upon 8 from minus 3 upon 7. Then we can write subtract minus 5 upon 8 from minus 3 upon 7. We can write the question in the form of subtraction: minus 3 upon 7 minus 5 upon 8. In the next step, minus multi minus convert in plus 5 upon 8. Now the LCM of 7 and 8 equals to 56. Now 56 is divided by 7. 7 8s are 56. 8 3s are 24 minus 24 plus 56 divided by 8 equals to 7. 7 5s are 35. Now the solution of 35 minus 24 equals to 11 and divided by 56. Now a question what number should be added to minus 7 upon 8 so as to get 5 upon 9? What number should be added to minus 7 upon 8 so as to get 5 upon 9? Try to understand the question. What number should be added? That means what number should be added in minus 7 upon 8 to get the sum is 5 upon 9. Then we can say let x should be added to minus 7 upon 8 to get the sum is 5 upon 9. Therefore we can write minus 7 upon 8 plus x equals to 5 upon 9. Now we need to find the value of x. Then we have to transpose the minus 7 upon 8 into right hand side. The minus 7 upon 8 it converts in plus 7 upon 8 by transposition. Now the LCM of 9 and 8, 72. 72 is divided by 9 equals to 8. 8 5s are 40 plus 72 is divided by 8 equals to 9. 9 7s are 63. Now x equals to 40 plus 63, 103 divided by 72. Now we can say the required number is 103 upon 72. Okay dear students, the next questions and properties of rational numbers will be discussed in next videos. Keep watching the videos. Thanks.